Hey everybody, Daniel Rubino with WPCentral.com, and we give you a quick tour of version 2.0 of our app. You can see the live tile right here now. It's flipping around. That's bringing down the latest image from the top story. That's going to happen automatically, but that's actually configurable. I'll show you that in a few moments. Let's launch the app here. You can see our new load screen. All the graphics done by Rich Edmonds. A big thanks to him for that. And brings down the stories. Now you can see that little green box to the side there, right over that. That's going to be our new comment counter. So for those of you who want to follow the conversation, you can do so there. Scroll over, new layout here for our browse section, including a new wallpapers edition. This brings down the top 6 wallpapers for the contest we had a little while ago, and we think you'll enjoy them. You can just tap the screen, save to the device, and you can use that wallpaper now. Coming in version 2.2 is going to be this area, the latest. Basically, we're going to have an ability for you guys to upload your own wallpapers to WP Central, and that feed will be featured right in the app for the world to see. Very cool stuff. We're very excited. That's coming down the road, but for now, you can use these top wallpapers. We also have a developer section now, so for devs, this will just be all developer-related news stories, which should be a great way for filtering those. Of course, all these tiles are pinnable if you want. Here's the offline list. So if you want to take a story with you, if you want to favorite a story, save it for later to remind yourself, there you go. You can just put stories in there and it will save them. Of course, you can remove them, and that is pinnable too. And now we'll scroll over. Of course, we have the regular search section. Let's go into a story. So we'll do here the ZTE story. Normal layout as before. As you can see, also the app now is all metrified. That's our default layout. We don't have that blue look anymore, so sorry about that, but we like the metro design anyway. Here's your save to list, so I can just quickly save or unsave that story there. Of course, we have our share option as before. Now if we scroll over, we have our comments, but we have this little area here, which is our new comment box, so I can just write in something and then post it. And there is my comment now live on the site. Very cool. But let's say I don't want to leave test up there. I can just hold it down and delete. And now that is completely gone. In fact, I can hold down someone else's comment and not delete it, but I can reply right to them. So it will thread accordingly, and I can respond to specific people, which is really nice, we think. Go back to the main section, and we'll go back to preferences, same as before, but now under live tile. Of course, we have the toast notifications. We also have the customized live tile, so you can pick the old system with the little black bubble, or we have our new system, which is a much bigger number count, and as that number gets bigger, it's going to push our logo more and more off the screen. For the rear tile, you have 3 choices, just the current headline. Of course, you can just have the picture from the story. We can have both, the picture and the text headline. Your choice, choose what you want. We like them all. Should be a great option though. And then of course we have the normal content deletion and everything else. So that is the main changes here, although there's one more. Let me show you under apps. Now when we talk about apps, there's going to be a few changes here too. So for instance, let's go here to the Pandora, Metro Radio, and radio controlled story. So we actually talk about 2 apps in this post, and then when we go to more, we have download app. Before though, it would only show the first download and not both of them. Now however, in any story where we talk about multiple downloads, it's going to actually give you both options, so you pick which app you want to choose. It's going to hop to the marketplace and allow you to download it. Couldn't be easier. Also, in the main stories, you're going to see that QR code is gone. So that used to show up on the main site, still will, but it won't show up within the app anymore. So it'll save you bandwidth and much faster to load and save the story, plus it looks better. So we're very happy with that. Also, graphic changes to the app. It's faster, it's smoother, better transitions, and a lot more stable. The update should be better. Overall, very happy with version 2.0. We're moving on to 2.1 for bug fixes, 2.2 for wallpaper edition. Very good stuff. Pick it up in the marketplace, 99 cents, or you can get the ad version, which is of course free. There you go. Take care, everybody.